The Abandoned Boats Project aims to clean up the environment, clean up boats, and clean up poverty by rescuing, processing, restoring, or recycling abandoned vessels.
The Abandoned Boats Project is veteran-owned and run by marine pros who love to help the environment and rescue boats and give back to the community. Join the Abandoned Boats Project today.
The Abandoned Boats Project assists individuals or marinas with any size boat. Do you have abandoned boats? Here is a list of our services: lake and ocean boat recovery, abandoned vessel certification for legal transfer, transporting completely salvage boats for recycling, collections and litigation services for boat storage, marinas, and yacht clubs, restoring, marketing, or co-brokering. Contact us today. We appreciate your abandoned boats.
The Abandoned Boats Project gives back to the community by restoring and providing boats to veterans and families on government assistance for 50% discount. And we are an equal opportunity employer who hire veterans and marine pros in every state, and converting abandoned boats into affordable low-income mobile houses.
Contact the Abandoned Boats Project today to solve your abandoned boats problem. Get the most profit per foot for your marina, boat storage, or yacht club. Our marine pros can process or remove your abandoned boats. We do it all. Follow the link in the description or send us an email. support@abandonedboats.org. We appreciate your abandoned boats. Please like and share.